Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's session of On Air with Boss. Our guest for today is Laiba Tariq. Laiba is an electrical engineer and entrepreneur who combines strong technical expertise with a deep commitment to building capacity in society. At the National Incubation Center for Aerospace Technologies, she serves as Chief of Staff to the Project Director and leads monitoring and evaluation. In this role, she helps guide strategic operations and program execution that support Pakistan's innovation ecosystem. Her leadership journey began early. During her time as head girl at the Beacon House Aptabad campus, she later went on to organize the first TEDx events in the Hazara region and Islamabad, creating platforms for forward-thinking dialogue. Laiba is also the founder of Armora, a social startup working to address harassment and violence through self-defense training, legal awareness, and mindset coaching. Her work aligns with the UN Sustainable Development Goals 5 and number 6. Expanding her contribution to entrepreneurship, she founded Daira, a growing community of more than 300 innovators and ecosystem builders. Previously, she served as a partner at Maxol, where she managed technical portfolios for major organizations such as SNGPL and OGDCL. An alumna of the class of 2016, Laiba remains committed to inclusive development and continues to work towards a future where community progress is shaped by empowerment and global opportunity. Laiba, can you walk us through your journey at Beacon House?
I joined the Beacon House main campus Aptabad, which was on the main Aptabad road, and I joined from class 5th and I graduated from Beacon House by completing my metric.
Why did you decide to do metric as opposed to O-levels?
So after I think in 7th or 8th grade, they do a bifurcation exam to actually filter out the students who would be, suitable for Cambridge. And back then, I was the sort of child who would think they're gonna become a doctor one day, the next day a painter, the next day a pilot, the next day into an army. Anything that I would see and it would have an influence on me, I'd be like, I have to become this every day. And I just thought maybe I'm, going to become a doctor. But I was I had a 97 percentile for Cambridge.
Wow.
But I came to matric thinking I have to become a doctor.
So why didn't you become a doctor?
I wasn't actually as aware of the fields out there. और मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था कि engineering is something until I was at the point to make a decision of it. I started into pre-medical. I did pre-medical for 3 months and then it was just not for me. I have so many friends who are studying medicine still and I see their struggle. I know the grind you guys go through and it is respectable, it is remarkable. I mean, huge respect to doctors, absolutely.
So Laiba, can you walk us through your professional journey and can you tell us exactly what you do in your line of work?
My journey at Beacon House had made me an explorer. And मैं पढ़ाई तो करती थी लेकिन मेरा ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट होता था कि co-career activities में क्या हो रहा है, societies में क्या हो रहा है. So I was a very explorer kind of kid and I went into TEDx's. हमने TEDx पहला organize कराया हज़ारा region में. उसके बाद उस TEDx के एक स्पॉन्सर ने कहा कि आपने ये इवेंट हमारे लिए भी कराना है. फिर हमने उनके लिए एक और इवेंट कराया. इधर से ना मेरा थोड़ा सा कॉर्पोरेट का एक्सपोजर बनना शुरू हुआ. Very fortunately enough, it just happened so कि मेरा स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम की तरफ मेरी अलाइनमेंट बनती चली गई. कोविड आ गया. कोविड में everybody started working on their own things. हमारा सेम TEDx का ग्रुप था and we would think of crazy ideas. और वहाँ से ना I started thinking on the lines of what is a startup? ठीक है, businesses, doing your own hustle, having a side hustle. And I started working with an entrepreneur from Hazara, from Aptabad, but he was established in US. That is when Upwards came to happen. I had my first interview with him, which was the longest interview, 45 minutes. And he was like, I want to put together a system, a training program, जो कि primarily non-tech students को help करे tech में transition करने के लिए. उसका खुलासा ये था. It was a बहुत different raw idea था जिसको बाद में मैंने mature किया. Then I came to work with another MSME and it was an engineering and solution providing firm for the oil and gas sector. I started working with them. That experience gave me the exposure to public procurement and public tendering. And that I think was the turning point of my career. I thought कि यार ये startup ecosystem में रहते हुए, public procurement की understanding रखते हुए, where can I go? What can I do? So I aligned myself within National Incubation Center. And then I went on to the other side of startup ecosystem, from being a founder to being somebody to a body of startup regulation. So, and then I am at an NIC for aerospace technologies right now.
Mashallah, you're doing exceptionally well, and the journey makes a lot of sense. Laiba, if you were supposed to give some piece of advice to the current students who are struggling with deciding the profession or the career they want to opt for, so what advice would you have for them?
A very simple advice. Whatever comes ahead, just take the jump, just do it. See, there's no shortcut to finding out what you want other than going through it, experimenting with it, and then just rerouting. That is literally it. People are like, I'm not doing good. I'm not doing good enough. ठीक है, ये अच्छा नहीं कर रहा, मुझे इस चीज़ की मज़ा नहीं आ रहा, लोगों को देखो क्या करें. Stop looking around. And as long as you're moving, believe me, you're in the right direction already.
Laiba, are you competitive by nature?
बहुत ज़्यादा.
Is there any one non-academic learning that you would associate with Beacon House?
Beacon House की contribution goes far beyond than what I'm doing in my career right now to who I am as a professional. And I think my personality, my confidence, my interpersonal skills, इसका बहुत ज़्यादा credit Beacon House को और my time spent at Beacon House को जाता है.
If you were supposed to describe your school life in 3 words or phrases, so what would you choose and why?
Naive. You know how you go about and you say the best of bestest times? That. And very fortunate. Where I come from, affording the Beacon House education is not for everybody. And it's very rightfully so. The quality that it gives, ठीक है? And it's not just the quality of education, it's the community. और मेरे अभी भी core circle Beaconites का ही है. My best friends are still from Beacon House. And anybody I see around, so many people I see around, so many of my friends are Beaconites who have married each other.
Married, yes.
ठीक है? Just imagine कि when people take decisions of which school to put your kids in, आप इसको खाली एजुकेशन की तरह मत देखें. आप एक्चुअली देखें कि ये जब बच्चा यहाँ जाएगा 5 साल या 10 साल के लिए, ये जिन लोगों से इंटरेक्ट करेगा, ये इसकी ज़िंदगी का हिस्सा बन सकते हैं. और अगर ये अच्छे लोग हुए, ये इसकी मुस्तकिल और परमानेंट ज़िंदगी का हिस्सा बने रह सकते हैं. हाउ बिग इज़ दैट? एंड व्हाट अ ब्लेसिंग इट इज़ टू बी सराउंडेड बाय गुड पीपल. एंड देयर आई सेड naive. I was very naive. And उसी का मज़ा था. और अब उसकी बात, उसको चीज़ें अच्छी लगती हैं, वो मस्तियाँ, वो And then I said best of the best time. So yes, I would just want to retain and remember it as it is.
Laiba, are you in touch with any of your friends from school?
My best friend is still a Beaconite, Mevish. Iman, Aruma, she's in Germany. Khatak, Arman Afsar, he graduated from a very good medical school. Jazib Uwais Pasha, a lot of them, all the seniors, we are still in touch. मैंने एक दफ़ा तो मैंने एक Beacon House का ग्रुप भी बनाया हुआ है जिसकी मैं admin हूँ, and I was trying to collect and gather all my batch in there.
Did you have a study buddy in school?
Yes, oh Arman Afsar. So ये बहुत लायक था, which is why he is like a doctor right now. तो पेपर से पहले वो अपना पढ़ रहा था, and I'll be like यार please, like for God's sake, मतलब कुछ सदका खैरात करो, you need to teach me right now. And हर पेपर से पहले he would teach me.
So if you came across a genie and he would grant you 3 wishes, what would you wish for and why?
सबसे पहले I would ask that genie कि वो हमारा campus as it is restore कर सके. It would, like the entire Beacon House Aptabad के graduates would thank me. दूसरा, I would want a car. I'm trying to get a car, so yes, please just get me a car, genie. And I want to learn the skill of astral projection so I can travel space.
So Laiba, is there any canteen snack that you miss till date?
Shakir uncle होते थे, and he would make boiled macaroni and it would only be seasoned. Nothing else. Some seasoning, and which would probably be black pepper or something like that, or a mix of some masalas, I think. And they would only put some sort of mayonnaise on it, and that is it. And that was the best meal I've ever had. And they would give you soup in paper cups with like those plastic spoon जिसमें से soup कितना ही आता होगा. But yeah, those two things.
If your campus life was a song, what song would you choose?
क्या हुआ जो लारी छूटी जीवन की गाड़ी लूटी ख्वाब है तो मुझको ना जगा जिंदगी एक पल में साली यूं पलट गई हमारी.
Laiba, if your campus life was a movie, what would the title be?
One is pink and the sky is pink. It would be either of those.
So, if the library in your campus had a secret floor, what would you find on the floor and why?
By the way, our library was very good. I still miss it. And I hope that if there was a secret floor, वहाँ पे ना वो हो very soft rugs, huge, brown and fawn shade, like very fluffy, very soft. You know, the ones where when you step on your foot, like really, it like sets into it. So a carpeted flooring like that, and with wooden flooring and big man-sized teddy bears, a lot of them, and candles, lots of scented candles. And then of course I loved those storybooks by those treehouse storybooks. इतनी बड़ी novels होती थी those.
Laiba, do you have a message for the current students of Beacon House?
Boss community is amazing, and I started like staying in touch कि boss क्या activities conduct करा रहा है. I was surprised to see the magnitude of it. I mean, the very consistent those alumni awards that you guys are doing, then these podcasts, then those alumni master classes. I mean, that is an amazing initiative. You facilitate alumni to alumni relations.
Yes.
I think this is something really good and you should really, really use it. And you don't get this kind of reciprocity from everybody. And that is really good. And I really appreciate the Boss initiative.
Thank you so much, Laiba, for joining us on today's session of On Air with Boss. It was an absolute honor to have you here with us today. The conversation was very fun-filled and very exciting. And I'm sure everyone who watches this session is going to have the laugh that we had.
Thank you so much for having me. It was an absolute pleasure to be here. Had a lot of fun.
Beacon House Old Student Society, BOSS, building a community together.